Hi, so welcome back to my channel. My name is sheilanwachukwu. So if you're on this video right now, so you're either looking for a video you're gonna watch for anytime you're going out, or you're actually going out right now and you need something that you can do really quickly to brighten up your face before you step out of the house. I put out a 30-minute makeup the other day, so I'm like, you know what, why don't make a 5-minute video for somebody who don't have 30 minutes to spare. And sometimes, like, you're leaving the house, you realize, like, oh, I look a little bit dull, I just want to touch up my face for a little bit. So want to do something that's gonna brighten up my face before I step out of the house. In this video, I'm gonna be doing a quick 5-minute video. I have my phone right here. I'm gonna be timing myself, and I'm gonna show you guys the time too, so you guys kind of see, like, okay, I'm actually keeping to time. I don't know how easy this is gonna be. I've never really timed myself while putting my makeup on, but I know I've tried to, like, be as fast as I can putting my makeup on. Just a quick reminder, if this is your first time coming to my channel, welcome to the family. Come on in, welcome home. This is a place for you, like. And if this is not your first time, you've been here before, you've been here since I started this channel, you already know the word. I love you. You're the closest to my heart. You're the real OG, and keep coming back. We got this. So don't forget to push the subscribe button. If you like the video, push the thumbs up button. In the comments, tell me what you like or what you didn't like about the video and what you would like to see, and I'm always reading the comments. Without talking too much, let's get into this video. So 5 minutes. Before I start it, I'm gonna put my glove on. Okay, and start it. So I'm gonna be using Fenty. Put as little as you can. Oh, I just put makeup. Alright, so foundation is done. With my chestnut, I'm gonna put a little bit into the inner eye. Ooh. And then outer eye, just tiny bit. So the reason why I'm doing this is to brighten up my face. And also lift it and not make my face look so flat. Alright, that is all done. I'm gonna put some glue on my lashes. We have 3 more minutes remaining. Come on, lash. Don't play with me. Alright, 1 down. Alright, so I'm gonna go into my eye man. While I wait for my lashes to dry out a little bit. Alright, while I do this, I'm looking at my time. I'm gonna use my bosom lipstick my lip. All right, so the glove, have 1 minute. Oh my god, the glove can come off now. A little bit of all right, so all right, that is on. Great, I have 20 seconds remaining. Okay, that's on.